If you are on a glow up journey and want to take your hair and skin to the next level, this video is for you. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Marshay. Here are some Amazon must-haves you need to really upgrade your beauty routine. Everything will be in my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box, and it will be under the Glow Up Accessories tab. So the first thing that I want to share are these face cloths that I get from Amazon. I have these on subscription. They come every, I think, 30 or 60 days. This is a brand new box. I haven't even opened it yet because I'm still using my old box. But I absolutely love these cloths. I use them for after I wash my face to actually dry it off instead of using a towel or paper towels. I use these. They're very soft. One side is supposed to be more of an abrasive, exfoliating side, and the other side is just a soft side. They're both soft to me, but one has like the grooves on it where it's supposed to be more exfoliating. Having these helps to minimize the amount of bacteria or any kind of dirt, germs, anything that's on your skin because you're using a new one every single day. This box comes with 60 count cloths. They don't have any fragrance, they don't have any dyes, they're white. They're just they're better than using a regular towel because with a towel, it can harbor bacteria. If you let it sit in your bathroom when you shower and it's moist and all the things, it can have more bacteria. But for those, you use them once and then you throw them in the trash. I love them. I definitely saw a difference in my skin as far as breakouts when I started using these as opposed to using a towel. Now, I would never recommend using your body towel for your face, but even if you use a separate towel, these are going to be better than that. The next skincare related item that I have are these handcuffs. Now, I don't know what I was doing before I found these, but I absolutely love them. So these go on your wrist like this while you are washing your face, and they keep water and soap and all of that from dripping down your arm. There's nothing more irritating, at least for me, than when I used to wash my face and have to like scrunch up and try to, move around and dry this off in the middle. I'm not doing that. And it also makes your routine less enjoyable. And if you care about your skin, you want your routine to be more enjoyable. You want it to be self-care. You want it to be a good experience. So these are coming handy. I have multiples of these. I have them in blue, I have them in black, I have them in like cream, I have them in khaki. You can get these from a lot of places, but I have them linked on the Amazon store. And you can get like 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs of pairs. And these are just great. Every time that I wash my face, I use these. I take them on vacation with me because, they're pretty small. You just stick them in your bag. But I love these and I will always have them no matter what. The next skincare related product that I have is this scrunchy headband. Now I have another one that's black, but it's dirty. But I really like these scrunchy headbands to put on your hair while you are washing your face again. I don't like the headbands that kind of just sit on top like a tiara or a crown because for me, I straighten my hair and I don't want my edges to get curly, right? So I like these because you can pull them all the way to the front of your hairline. Like I have mine sitting right on my hairline so that it doesn't get wet while I'm washing my face. And I use this while washing my face regularly, while taking off my makeup so that my makeup doesn't get into my hair. I keep it in my bathroom. So even when I'm doing my makeup and I spray my setting spray, I'll just place it here and spray around to keep my hair dry. So I really love these. If you take the time to wash your hair and straighten it like I do, you do not want your edges to curl up earlier than they have to, right? They're going to curl up at some point anyway if you're natural, but if you can help it, these are great and they are microfiber. They're a nice thick texture and they keep your edges dry. And another face related product that I have for you is this scrub pad. So I use this for cleaning my makeup brushes. When I tell you, I did not realize how much I needed this until I got it and used it. So I literally just it has suction cups on the back. And so I take like a large bowl and I put it down in the bowl, suction it to the bottom of the bowl, and then put just a little bit of water and cleaning solution. I use Dawn for my makeup brushes. And literally pour some Dawn, put a little splash of water in there, wet your makeup brushes, and just clean them. And it cleans wonderfully. I did my whole set of makeup brushes in probably 20 minutes. That usually takes me, I would say, probably double the time when I was using the little mini, little handheld ones that they have, where you just one at a time. I couldn't do it no more. And then, of course, with the minis, your hand is under the water constantly. With this one, my hand is only under the water when I'm rinsing the soap off the brush. That's it. My hands are not getting dry and wrinkly and pruned. We're not having that problem. So this has been a game changer for me. It makes washing my brushes so much easier and faster, which benefits me in the long run because now I have clean brushes more often. Obviously, most of us have multiple of different brushes, so you don't have to wash your brushes every day. But I would suggest washing your brushes at least once a week with a good deep clean wash, and this is going to make that so much easier. My next item that I just got and I'm so excited about are these cases, particularly this one, but this came in a pack. There are 2 more of these, so it came with 3. But these cases for your powder puffs. So I typically keep my powder puff in my makeup bag. So this, and I always felt like it was rubbing up against the bottles and maybe it was getting, dirty or getting germs on it. I don't know. I'm kind of a germaphobe in that way. So I always felt like maybe possibly I was getting germs on it, right? And then I saw someone on YouTube talk about these and I was like, they make those? Perfect. So now I have these. I have 3 of them, 3 cases. I have this one. This is from, I did my makeup today. So this one is in my makeup bag. I have another one in my purse, which I'm going to use if I have to touch up during the day, like using blotting powder. I'm going to have that one in my purse. And then I have the 3rd one in my travel bag, just so I don't forget. And I will use that just like I use this if for some reason I'm not taking this one with me and I want a new one. And then the pack I got in particular on Amazon that's linked in my storefront comes with this actual set. There are 2, 4, 6, looks like 7. Yes, I think it's a total of 10. So there are 7 powder puffs that can fit in this little case. And again, this is also good for if you're traveling or if you just want to store them somewhere where you know they're going to be clean and won't get dirty, especially after you clean and sanitize your sponges. So this, love it so far. If you are a makeup artist, these probably will be great for you as well. But just for everyday doing your makeup, these are great, and these individual ones are even better. Now let's get into some hair products. So the first hair product that I have, and you might think I've seen this before, everybody knows about these, but I was one of those people that was just like, it's not that big of a deal. Girl, get you a microfiber hair towel. Do not use a regular towel on your hair when you wash your hair, okay? It will rip your hair out, it will over dry, and it will cause your hair to get caught in between the loops in a regular towel. Get a microfiber hair towel. They have like regular square microfiber towels as well that you can buy, but I like this one because it has like a little loop. If I can show you. It has a little loop here. So you put it on your head and then you twist it at the bottom, pull it up to the top, and then you tuck it in that little loop. So you have that little cute, it's not even a hairstyle. But anyway, you tuck it in the loop and it stays without, moving around on your back and your hair falling out. So I really like these. I got a 2-pack, again, linked in Amazon. I got it in gray, but I think they come in other colors. But I really, really, really like these. They're very soft, and again, they're microfiber, which means they're not going to rip or snag or break your hair. They're going to be soft and gentle on your hair while also drying it. So really like these. The next product that I have is a very specific product, right? So you may look at this and say, it's just a rat tail comb. It is, but it isn't, okay? So I like this for two reasons. One, of course, the metal rat tail. So helpful when getting the perfect part, no matter, what you're doing, as long as you don't stab yourself, okay? Be careful. But great for that. I want to say this comb is a heat resistant comb, like a carbon fiber, I think it's called carbon fiber comb. And so this will resist heat if you get your flat iron a little too close to it. I mean, obviously you can't press it straight on the flat iron, but it is resistant to heat. But I love this in particular because the teeth. These teeth are so close together. When you are doing a silk press or just straightening your hair in general, but especially for a silk press, and you want to use the chase method for your hair, the more teeth you have, the better. The silkier and the straighter your hair will be, which is very beneficial, especially if you didn't get the best blow dry or you have really thick hair and you really need the heat to pass in between the strands and get them nice, silky smooth. This comb, I love using this comb. It's much better than regular rat tail combs, like the plastic ones that are like the orangey color. This one, so much better. It comes in like a 3 or 4 pack. I don't remember, but so much better. I love the results when I do a silk press or, just straightening my hair with this comb in particular. And I have to have it. I have to have it for that purpose. And then we have these claw clips. So I was one of those people that would use the triangle claw clips, the ones that you see like in the beauty supply, in the beauty salon, just the regular butterfly clips, right? But something told me one day, I was like, I think I need these. I think these would work so much better for what I need them for, and I was right. So these are great when you are parting your hair, especially if your hair is dry. And I don't mean dry like dried out. I mean like dry versus wet, right? These are great for holding, if you have a lot of hair, holding your hair in place because they have these grips. See if you can see. Yeah, they have these teeth on them that really grip the hair. You can slide it into that section to really anchor it down. You can also use the end of it to like section your hair, or if you're doing someone else's hair, to section their hair. It's very convenient for that. But I really like these for really gripping and holding the hair, especially when I am flat ironing. I also like these, like if I just want to put my hair up in a clip, like I'm not doing anything, I'm not going anywhere that day, and I want to put my hair in a clip, I like using these because they're kind of flat. I mean, it's not completely flat, but it's pretty flat compared to the butterfly clips, which have the handles at the end. So it lays pretty flat to the head and it curves with your head. So if you put it in the back, you can actually like lay your head back without having that, that hard plastic digging into your head. So I really like these for that reason as well. And for the last hair product, this is a new hair staple for me personally. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I see the word all the time. The Umbrush has a similar brush just like this, but this one is this brand. I love this. It's for detangling my hair when I have conditioner in it. I also love it if I have to comb through post washing my hair, like right before I blow dry. I put in my leave-ins and distribute them because the teeth are so wide apart that it helps to not snag my hair. For whatever reason, I always have the most difficult time detangling my hair, especially when it's wet. Now, when it's dry, I don't have any problems because most of the time, if it's dry, it's straight or I have like an oil on it or something. So detangling dry, no problem. But combing and detangling wet has always been an issue for me. I have tried the Tangle Teezer. I do not like it. It rips my hair out. I've tried shower combs, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but it's never consistent. And I always lose more hair than what I would prefer. So I like this. They are very spaced out and the bristles move. So they help to not snag your hair and just pull it straight out. But I really like this. I only have one. I'm about to get another one. I want one for in the shower to detangle, and then I want a separate one to comb my hair through once I put my leave-ins in. But yeah, I stand by this. It is the only brush, shampoo brush, wet brush that I have used on myself. Now, if I go to a salon, of course they have their magic that they do, and they can use whatever they want to. But as for me doing my hair on my own, this has been the best. The first time I used it, I had great results. The second time I used it, I had great results. It just feels great every time I use it, and I don't have any problems or any excessive breakage or shedding. So really like this.